I'm Jess, and this is Amelia from Goodwin's Farm 207, and today we're on the road. Mia, what are we doing today?
We are picking up some babies.
We're picking up some new babies, so make sure you stay tuned to the end to find out what kind of babies we bring home today. Well, we have picked up the new babies, and we're going to take them home. Stick around, find out what's in the box.
You are thinking yourself.
Any guesses on what they are? Comment below.
These guys are way too cute. The little pom-poms.
You guys are gonna get some new friends in your brooder room. You excited? What are the new babies, Mia?
They are goslings.
Which are?
Baby geese.
Aww.
They are a Sebastopol and buff mix.
Now, I think the little babies are settling in nicely. Nugget's not too sure about them. So there you have it. Our new babies are a couple little goslings. This is our first time having geese. We're very excited. So if you've owned geese before, please comment below your top suggestions. We're currently feeding them some food we got from the breeder where we picked them up from, and using a waterer for them that they recommended. And of course we've got some heat and stuff going for them, but we're pretty excited about this. We don't have names yet, so make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified of when we name them.